Yes, collagen may be the closest thing we have on earth to the real fountain of youth, especially if you want to revitalize your hair, skin, nails, joints, muscles, and gut health while looking younger than your friends. Did you know that by the time you're middle-aged, your body is producing less than half of the collagen you did in your youth? It's true. You see, collagen is the building blocks of your body, and low levels of collagen can lead to wrinkles, dimpled skin, brittle nails, sore joints, leaky gut, weight gain, and thinning hair, causing you to look and feel older than your true age. Hi, this is nutritionist and anti-aging expert Tim Skwiat. And as a leading anti-aging specialist and preventive healthcare practitioner, the most frequent question I get from my clients behind closed doors is, how do I look and feel younger than my real age? And better than my coworkers and friends? And my first response is always the same. Eat a healthy, low-sugar diet, exercise 30 minutes a day, don't smoke, and avoid too much sun. And get the right types of collagen in your diet. Notice I said the right types of collagen, because getting only one type of collagen isn't enough. Different parts of your body need different types of collagen to thrive and flourish. That's why I've put together a special video presentation today that reveals how you can get the 5 best types of collagen protein from some rather odd foods found at your local grocery store. What's more, in today's video, I'm also going to reveal the #1 best source of collagen for firmer, tighter skin all over your body. Thicker, more shiny hair, a healthy gut lining, and healthy joints that allow you to move with ease. And if you think my #1 suggestion is bone broth, you're way off. I don't recommend bone broth for reasons I'll explain in the video, so be sure to click now to watch more.